Morning everybody, hope everyone's well, having a fantastic morning. So, I've got a white roll. I've got some black pudding slices. There's that there, you can see that. And a selection of ingredients there. I'm going to use maybe one of them. I've got some bacon left over from holiday, which I never used up. Some streaky bacon, cured streaky bacon. And there's all of that there. Some bacon strips on here. I'm going to put black pudding on there. I'm going to fold it all over the black pudding. I'm going to put a little steak in it. I'm going to bang it in the air fryer. 10 minutes maybe. There's my hockey puck. And bacon, well, there you go. I just need to cut it, don't I? There we go, bit for tomorrow. Might have another go tomorrow as well. This is extra thin, this stuff. As you can see, I've practiced before. Not at all. Well, it's not quite going to plan, that is it? Oh well. I'm hoping it will just be able to create some sort of star with it. Maybe. Maybe not. I mean, it looks a bit of a mess, doesn't it? But there we go. And I'm just going to fold them bits over. Hopefully covering all the black pudding. Oh, it's called there. What's going on? I can't remember stuff. There you go. So it looks a bit like that. And as for my toothpick, which is a bit too long, it's now a bit shorter, and I'm just going to stick that in there like that. Hopefully it will all stay together like that. I'll be able to place it into the air fryer. What I'm going to do is I'm going to stick it in one of them baskets like that, and stick it in the air fryer. So we're going on air fry for, I might go maxi crisp for, I'm going to say 10 minutes. Go. As for the roll I'm just going to cut in half, with the black pudding still involved. Let's see if I can find a knife. There we go. Get a bit of my kerrygold that's looking quite melted now. There we go. Yeah, that's as simple as that is. And that roll there, I'm just going to put that in the air fryer for about 4 minutes just to crisp up. Put that on a max crisp. 4 minutes. Right, so we're about done. I can't think what I put it on for. I think I put it on for, I think it was 10 minutes. 8 minutes, something like that. I'll have to check back. But there's my base to start with. I was thinking, what's that sticking out the top of that? And there's my bun on top. Whoa. Extra crispy. Turn it off. Okay, I'll let you marvel at something completely different. Not getting shot. If I would stick a knife through it, I will. Do I need to? You know what that is, don't you? It's not overly cooked. Whoa! Hotter than the sun, that is. There you go. A black pudding burger. So all I've done there, I've wrapped the black pudding with streaky bacon, put it in the air fryer, I'd say 8 minutes maybe, just to crisp it up. Done the bun, 4 minutes on max crisp, which is 240. Butter on this section of bread here and here. Black pudding, bacon, top and bottom. I think we could probably incorporate some cheese into that somewhere along the line, and maybe some different flavours with some sauces. Right, maybe tomorrow. We'll see how we get on. There we go. Hopefully it tastes alright. Find out, eh? That tastes really good. I like that. I think it's probably got something to do with that the bacon juices have actually soaked into the black pudding a bit. It was definitely a tasty black pudding wrap, bacon wrap. So just adding more flavour to the black pudding that already had loads of flavour already. Every day is like a treat, honestly. I'm supposed to be cooking Sunday dinner now, but and thanks for everyone who liked the burger and cheese and Branston, the Branston long burger, and all the messages as well. Thanks for that. Like that. So, don't know what am I going to call this one. I suppose it's going to be just a black pudding wrapped in bacon, isn't it? But a streaky black pudding bacon roll. Streaky black pudding bacon roll. There you go. I'll either leave this in or I'll take this out. One of the two. Whatever I do, I will. I might catch you later. I'm supposed to be cooking Sunday dinner, as I say, and I've not started it yet, and it's like 3 o'clock. So well, didn't put the microphone up. Hopefully you've not heard me chewing again. You'll probably catch me later. I will probably catch you later. I'm going to start peeling some potatoes and probably start recording that as well. So yeah, see you later everyone. Bye bye.